What's up, folks? How's it going? So, today's interview question is explain Docker architecture. So, Docker architecture is explained on Docker page, docker.com website. And here you can see the Docker architecture is explained and it has a lot of information. So, this is the like a Docker architecture diagram. And like I have just summarized it, whatever they have mentioned in these pages. Okay. So, in let's go here. So what it's like a client server model. We have Docker client and we have Docker server. So this is basically Docker server is nothing but this daemon. So a daemon runs and Docker client talks to this daemon. Docker client basically we run the command line, right? Docker run, Docker build, Docker pull, right? So this guy, the Docker client talks to daemon. Daemon answers back and basically the performs the job whatever a Docker client wants. So it follows the client server architecture. Docker clients talks to Docker daemon, Docker T, and communication it happens over REST API or Unix socket or network interface. So it happens over network. So no, it's not necessarily that Docker daemon and Docker command line has to be on the same network. It can be on a different network also. And a Docker daemon it manages images, containers, networks, and volume. Docker client, it runs the command Docker run communicating with the daemon. Docker, there is a Docker run, it runs the command. And Docker daemon takes care of these images, containers, right? And Docker desktop is GUI tool for Mac, Windows, and Linux with built-in Docker tools. So generally, like on Mac, what we do, like we first install Docker desktop, we download from Docker site, Docker desktop, install it, and after that we are able to run all this. So it's a combined package where you have all the CLI, command line, Docker, daemon, everything it has. So you just install it and you get that everything package inside. It's a GUI for Mac with built-in Docker tools. Docker registries store images, but if you want, you can install Docker from Linux command line also. You don't need Docker desktop. You just do apt-get install Docker and you can install Docker, right? That way also you can install Docker. Not necessarily that you need to do it from UI. You can do it from command line also. Docker registries which stores the image. Default, it's a Docker hub, but private registry also exists. Images, read-only template used to create container. Docker images, it can be Ubuntu image, it can be any other image, Node.js image, Python image, Docker images are there. And when the runnable instance of image is called container. When you run the image, it becomes a container, which can be started, stopped, or deleted. Okay, so these are the main things. Docker Compose defines and run multiple container application. If you have like front end database, back end, etc. So if you want to run that, you can run through Docker Compose, multiple container application. So we have basically Docker client. In the Docker host, we have Docker daemon and we have the registry, right? And it's a client server model. There is a client and daemon. In the client server model, client talks to the daemon. Communication happens over REST API. A Docker client runs the Docker run another Docker build command. We have Docker registry. Okay, and then we have image container. So this is the question I posted on my LinkedIn Devops Challenge page, and I organize. I post daily challenge and also organize contests. So you can participate in the contest. You can follow my LinkedIn page and also uh, subscribe to my YouTube channel and WhatsApp channel. What is the question? What is the primary role of Docker daemon, Docker D? Running CLI command, managing Docker objects like images, container, and network, storing container logs, providing a user interface for managing container. So this is the answer B. Its primary responsibility is managing Docker objects like images, containers, and networks. Okay. So hope you like this video and please follow my LinkedIn page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and WhatsApp channel also. And thank you for watching this video.